Well, it's a windy morning, lots of breeze blowing outside, in fact worse than breeze, and so we've moved here into the greenhouse. We put together a selection of plants that we're going to be shipping out to garden centres in the next week or so. Lots and lots of really pretty things, but you know, there are some things that I'm really very fond of and that I've got a soft spot for, and the Foamflowers are definitely one of those. They're so beautiful now in springtime and also very useful plants to grow in the garden. This particular one, which is called Spring Symphony, and the botanical name, as you see, is a Tiarella, but this selection called Spring Symphony is probably one of the best clumping foam flowers that we've ever grown in the nursery. Selected and bred originally by Terra Nova Nurseries nearly 20 years ago, it's still, I think, one of the best varieties on the market. Just look at the amount of flowers that it's producing here in little 1.5 gallon pots. And then look at the foliage and you'll see that it's got this very attractive marking on it too. Then bear in mind that here's a native plant that will grow in shady or partially shaded conditions, makes wonderful ground cover. When you take this and plant it in mass underneath a taller shrub, somewhere where you're able to create a mass of ground cover, just imagine what this would look like if you'd planted out a whole host of them all coming up together to create this lovely smoky effect with all of these gorgeous little flowers. And then, as I say, when you get into them and look at them, they're really very pretty with the pink buds and then these spiky little petals that come out on the stems, all coming together to look like it's foam floating above the attractive foliage. This is Tiarella Spring Symphony, a delightful and, in my opinion, one of the best of all of the clumping Tiarellas.